Well, it's September 16th, 2014, and here we are on electric Karmann Ghia project, and I just finished my installation of the cooling system, which includes the following components: the reservoir tank, the pump pumps it into these two surfaces here are actually hollowed out and have serpentine channels in them. Takes up the heat from the controller here, pulls it out with the liquid, passes it out here, passes it back to the cooler, and then the cooler returns it to the reservoir tank. So this actually shows my motor installed, my motor adapter plate. I still have to run the cables, all my high density cables up here, but here's what it sounds like. When I come up here, comes over here to my ignition key, turn my ignition key. This is running 12.9 volts off the auxiliary battery now, which energizes the pump. I'm running water in it now since this is the first time. Looking for leaks. It's a lot cheaper to replace water than the antifreeze. But now here we have a thermostatic control for the cooler system, and I've got it. So here we'll hear well, that was supposed to. That's drawing about 5 amps. So this is a little thermostatic relay here. And I'll adjust it out and find the fine points later on. So that's where we are today. Karmann Ghia electric project coming quite along.